The counter-blockade against prohibition imposed on shopkeepers by Kuki village volunteers in Tengnopal district from selling of essential items including water to state forces deployed at Moreh, which has been imposed since yesterday, continues. The counter-blockade was preceded by Meitei Community Joint Coordinating Committee Waithau to Hauka and Thoubal Kuno recently announcing to prohibit transportation of commercial and consumer goods to Kuki settlement areas in case the ban on sale of essentials to the state forces is not withdrawn by Wednesday. Internally displaced person from Moreh taking shelter at relief camps opened at Wangjing Kodompokpi Sports Complex and Lamding Higher Secondary School, and representatives of CSOs, clubs, organizations and Mera Paibis jointly checked vehicles flying on National Highway 102 since 5 this morning, imposing the counter-blockade. As part of the counter-blockade, the supporters checked vehicles along the national highway to ensure no consumer goods and items were transported to Kuki inhabited areas, particularly Moreh. The counter-blockade will be imposed until the Kuki village volunteers lift a ban on sale of essential items to state forces at Moreh, the committee has said.
Gari check tawduna gari thatpa tawri baje koi Moreh da laiba state force singa Kuki singa sana thaknaba piroi ising chingma piroi haibadagi akhoi ju mafam sida akhoi thatpani ngasi akhoina sem biren da haining badi Moreh da laiba Kuki singa teno banda nupi myam thokna thatpa da tia gya sam ka taba aduga akhoina mafam sida ni khara thokpadi pharga jen da thamba aduga nupi angang khara thokpadi tia gya ka tuna khoigi thoina hunba manipur is the law and like having a same billion the Hanjani. Something upon the Malapai, club or some five no Kapusan Raga, Wanging, all around the labor, relief in Metamus in the Punsan Raga, Hausi Moria that Toiba, Akoigi said, Portion the Moria Gita, labor cookies in Karigumba, Sing Hogo, Pitapayaro, Karigumba, Matamokoida, Bija Pitapayaro, Happiness in Makayama, Virapatagi, Awabakaya, Nangura labor, said Portion Amadi, labor, Mapam to the security puna magda saba thakpa phangdana wana khambado aikoi tasena leiba khoi myam maitei singabadi leiba Moreh asi relief camp da leiba investment jina thamoi sokna nungai da pokpok loina na aikoi su Moreh da sangba leiba gari puna maksi aikoi na check tawbagi thaba ado ngasi aikoi mafam Wangjing polo ground mamang sida aikoi Tawzabani. Ako ngasi counter blockade tawzari se akoigi Moreh da laiba state force da Kuki sing sina akoigi chana thana bai sing gari kra pi daba dukan nunga loina thong lola laga state force na adi Meitei sing na samna haira da Meitei sing na kari gumba chana thana ba laiba khotpa da amata piroi pi ba yaroi ka haraga da dugumba thingba do adugi mathakta akoina ngasi counter blockade na koi Moreh digi lanjen na riba mayam jina koi tawzari baje counter blockade se mamdi moina Moreh da leiriba singda maina adu handokri ba akoina akoigi inmate oina akoi leijari ba singdina kali counter blockade se akoi ju makha chathani ai baje mata thamjage.
The counter-blockade was also carried out at Kwakta Bazar in Bisnupur district, preventing the transportations of goods towards Churachandpur. Altogether, 15 organizations, including 5 Muslim organizations, supported the counter-economic blockade in Kwakta area. Speaking to media persons, President of MMCC, Yumnam Tomba said, with the ban on sale of essential items to state forces enforced at Moreh, despite repeated appeal to lift the prohibition, the organizations went ahead with the counter-blockade to prevent transportation of consumer goods towards Churachandpur, stating that the blockade will also be carried out in Moirang Kuno, Kumbi and Sagang areas, among others. He appealed to the people to support the movement.
Moreh da leiba state police singda Kuki militants singna athing ba piduna thangna chanaba ising maising amadi threat taroki bising adugi mayokta satharakpa pigiba matam adu khuji loire aduna aikoi Churachandpur gi saita usangadawa pochai sinthingbagi economic blockade adu aikoi ngasidagi hauriba aikoi economic blockade sida Kwakta gi CSO sing CSO manga amadi atai atopa CSO taramanga punna punsilaga CSO kunna aikoi hariba balasi sathajabani.
On the other hand, advisor of All Kwakta Coordinating Committee, Sangom Sumbam Anwar said the committee will support the counter blockade being imposed by Meitei Coordinating Committee.
Sipai Chilinau Singda, Sana Tanabra, Singway Singpi, the Atimba Tamigasi, Handoki Pova, Maitei, MMC na, economic blockade, Togani, Hana, Tataragli Basi, Mapam Sisu, all Kota Gimayon, Oiva Kota Bazada, Oibadina, all Kota Coordinating Committee na, MMC na Tataragli economic blockade, Tauri Pova, Coordinating Committee, Maitei the Gianamba support Pizza, Topa Civil Society Organization, Marimanga, Masu Kota, Labor Civil Society Organization, Marimanga, Masu, Loina Support TV, Makatana, City Housing, volunteers in Koi, Makatana, economic blockade, Tauri Pova, MMC na Tataraka Support Pigani.